Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download a Wise transfer payment receipt step by step in the simplest way possible, even if you've never used Wise before. You don't need any technical knowledge, and I'll also explain what you can do even if you don't have a bank account linked yet. Wise, formerly called TransferWise, is an international money transfer service. It lets you send money across countries at low fees in real exchange rates. After every successful transfer, Wise automatically creates a payment receipt, which you can download as a PDF. Quick heads up, Wise only generates a receipt after a transfer is created, so to download a real receipt, there must be at least one transfer, even a small one. For this tutorial, I'll show the process so you know exactly where to click. First, go to wise.com or open the Wise app. Click on Sign Up. You can create an account using your email, Google, or Apple ID. No bank account is required at this stage. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Wise dashboard. Now click on Activity or Transfers. This section shows all your past and current transfers. Click on any completed transfer. Even a small test transfer works. This opens the Transfer Details page. Scroll down and you'll see an option that says Download Receipt or Get PDF Receipt. Tap on it and Wise will instantly download a PDF payment receipt to your device. The receipt includes sender and recipient details, transfer amount, fees, exchange rate, transfer ID, and date. This receipt is valid for bank proof, freelance payments, visa files, and tax records. That's it. Now you know exactly how to download a Wise transfer payment receipt. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.